Hi and welcome. My name's Rob Scott from UC Today, bringing you the latest news and conversation from the unified communications and collaboration industry. So today I'm joined by AudioCodes, and we're going to be talking about AudioCodes Live for Microsoft Teams. Welcome, Jay. How's it going?
Very well, Rob. Thank you ever so much.
Good to see you. Today we're going to be talking about your new product or service. We're going to find out more. But first of all, can we have a quick intro? Tell us a little bit about what you do for AudioCodes, please.
Rob, I am a UC consultant for AudioCodes based in EMEA, and in fact I cover the EMEA region. And I help businesses and partners alike on their journey for Microsoft Teams.
Thank you. And for anyone that doesn't know who AudioCodes are, what does AudioCodes do?
So AudioCodes are perhaps quite a unique organization in as much as we provide a complete end-to-end solution for any UC environments, from sort of IP phones, room systems, through to infrastructure solutions, management applications, and lastly, professional services. So, really that kind of end-to-end service for UC.
Brilliant. And, to kick off with, we're going to talk about AudioCodes Live for Microsoft Teams. What is it, and what type of customer would buy and invest in a service like this?
Okay, so Rob, in this this current environment, a lot of companies are looking to make the move to Microsoft Teams for their enterprise voice and primary collaboration tool. This, as we all know, massively supports the remote home office worker and what is now being termed the new normal. So to that end, the challenge for organizations is, how do they seamlessly connect, all of their disparate workers and legacy technology to Microsoft Teams? How do they do it quickly and without huge upfront investment costs? So AudioCodes Live for Microsoft Teams it is designed to simplify and accelerate their Microsoft Teams for high quality voice and video collaboration, quite simply via a subscription-based managed service. I guess really one of the key differentiators is the OpEx model that is now offered. It's based on priced on a per user per month and per device per month basis, which allows for that kind of predictable budget planning and can incorporate IP phones, room systems, call recorders, example. Essentially, I guess it's wrapping the 20 years of AudioCodes knowledge and expertise to deliver a comprehensive voice solution for Microsoft Teams.
Perfect. So talk me through a typical customer scenario. How does it work and what options are there available?
Okay. So let's hope I get this right. Okay, so in essence, there are 3/4 different tiers. If we look at the first two, Essentials and Pro, these are designed to be delivered from the cloud. This could be, the customer's own hosted data center, a third-party data center, or a public cloud such as Azure or AWS. It really is whatever the customer's preference would be. There's also an option to have it hosted in our own multi-tenant AudioCodes cloud, as an example. If we then look at Essentials in its simplest form is direct routing as a service. Okay, no bells, no whistles, just direct routing as a service. If we then look at Pro, which builds on the direct routing as a service from Essentials, but now we're bringing in user lifecycle management tool for making those, moves, add changes and deletes. You also get inclusive with the Pro product, quality monitoring reporting. When we then move to the third tier, Premium is everything you get with Pro, only now it includes the on-premises integration, the fully managed service. And I guess, Premium is ideal for organizations that maybe have, complex, disparate existing telephony that requires integration with Microsoft Teams, such as, it might be a Mitel, Avaya, PBX system, Cisco, whatever it might be. And they've also got an analog requirements to integrate as well. When we come to what we call the fourth tier is purely custom. Okay, so this is a completely custom solution which may incorporate any of the 3 tiers across multiple geographies or locations, but really depending upon the customer requirement. But also working then with AudioCodes professional services team to design that custom solution for them. And I guess, of course, lastly, with all of our plans, there are optional extras. I mean, everybody loves an optional extra, don't they? With this, you can also include our native Teams IP phones. We've got a brand new range of Teams phones. We've got a brand new range of native Teams room systems, which includes the standalone fully integrated collaboration bar. But you can also have call recording, WebRTC or click to call. All of these things can be included within those packages and all charged on a per user, per device, per month basis.
Superb. Thanks for explaining that. And that
No problem.
pay per month model must be very, very attractive in today's world. So talk me through the implementation. Do I need an AudioCodes partner? Who's involved?
Okay, so we get asked this quite a lot, and it massively complements our partners. But let's just run through this from the start. So AudioCodes Live for Microsoft Teams, it has been designed for medium to enterprise level organizations. And when we look at those organizations, some of them, especially the large enterprises, they manage their own telephony without a provider. And they may wish to purchase directly from AudioCodes. AudioCodes obviously will provide the service directly, from initial consultancy design through to implementation and, with the ongoing kind of managed service. But of course, with many organizations, they will be currently working with a provider or a system integrator. And in that scenario, we will follow the customer's preference and work with the existing provider on a reseller basis. Now, talk about them resellers. When we look at the reseller option, this is also intended for system integrators or Microsoft 365 partners who perhaps don't have the skills or expertise to deliver enterprise voice solutions, or maybe based in a single geography like the UK and their customer is global. I guess, with AudioCodes' global reach, that means we're able to provide the service, complete on behalf of the partner whilst they maintain and own the customer relationship.
Got it. That does make sense as well. So something for everyone, no matter what type of business. If you are interested in looking at Microsoft Teams as a full UC solution, how can customers find out more?
Okay, so you can go to www.liveteams.audiocodes.com and you can look through the various options from being a customer, solution provider, or reseller. There is an option on each page to request a free, no obligation consultancy call to discuss how AudioCodes can assist you on your Microsoft Teams journey.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Jay, for talking to me today.
Rob, thank you ever so much for having me. Thank you.
And that's it from us. If you've enjoyed today's session, please do give us a like or a share on social. It's always appreciated. I'm Rob Scott from UC Today. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.